Welcome to my channel.
What are you doing right now? Oh, I know. You're about to watch a guy customize a pair of AirPods Pro right here, right now. Let's get to it. I'm pretty sure that you guys know that the AirPods Pro actually came out a few days before Halloween. And I'm sure that you guys have seen people customizing the regular AirPods, right? But I think I will be the first person to customize the AirPods Pro. And I bet that you guys will be the first to see customized AirPods Pro. For the first step, I'm going to take these guys out. Nice and safe here. If you guys like this custom, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe button so that you will get notified when I post another custom. If you guys want to see more of AirPods Pro customs, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think and share this video with your friends. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. It's great. You guys are gonna get good content coming soon. Peace out.